Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna play on my server that I built. I told you yesterday. Wait, the day before yesterday, I think. Anyways, so I'm alone on the server, and there are 3 people who went on the server except me. Let me show you the spawn. So in the or when you come here, you'll see some signs like well, if you went to John the Camel server, you normally see some signs when you're there, and I was inspired by that. Okay, here it is. Not much to show you. Anyways, so this is my server. I told you already. This is my friend's server, Haley Love, which lives in actually I don't know. Anyways, lives over there. In real life, I don't actually know. She's about to make a house there. So the reason why nobody is here is because they are sleeping in real life. In America, they are supposed to be sleeping right now, and one of my friends is in America, and sometimes all 3 of them except me, and I live in Indonesia, if you didn't know that yet. So this is my friend's house, Agent XCXX or Turbo 243. Not and because he changed the name. Okay, I'm back. It didn't actually close, it's just a glitch. It does. So this is the farm that I built over here. Because you can't find any of melons or pumpkins or candy canes. Just kidding. This, I forgot what the name was, wheat inside the actual world. So, hey, look, an apple. Anyways, there's this other friend called Colby in the trees. Well, his name in here, his MCPE name, and I don't know where he actually lives. That's Haley Love's house. This could be his house. I mean, it doesn't have a name on it, and I'm pretty sure that's her house, Haley Love's house. So my house is not as good as Agent XCSX. And there's a mine here. Someone wrote this here for some reason, with some cobblestone here. That's just to remind me if I get lost. So my house is pretty far away on a little hill. Over here. There's a lighting problem. For some reason, I don't know why. Anyways, this is my house. Not much to say about. A lot of wood. I haven't done a lot of mining, as you can see. So the whole reason I built the server was for me and Rashad to do a survival series together. And this is the lead server he can join, and I'm not gonna show the lead server to you. Of course, unless you're a subscriber or my fan or something. No, nothing. And, oh well. But the reason why Rashad isn't here, it's because his brother, Shaukat, broke their iPad and he can't play Minecraft anymore. Which is really, really bad luck because, well, it's because Shaukat, his brother, Rashad's brother, broke the iPad just the day before I made the new server, which is on Sunday. If you don't know yet, I written it wrong. It's not on July 30th, it's on July 29th, which is on Wednesday in Indonesia. And I guess I have nothing to say. Well, if it was for me and Rashad to do the server, that'll be really awesome. Because if you remember in my video in Skyblock Survival episode 1 or 2, I told you guys that I wanted to do it on MCPC, Minecraft PC edition, I guess. That was the main idea, but we changed it to PE since he didn't have PC. My stone pickaxe gonna wear out. I can't believe I have found any ores yet. So I had the idea of changing it to PE. Then he broke his iPad. Well, Shaukat did, his brother. So we can't play Minecraft. But here's the good news. We get to do the main idea after all, because he got his MCPC back, which is good. Let me just make some more torches. Ah, dang it, I don't have any coal. Wait. I also don't have any torches. Oh, I'm at coal. Because if I did, I could make some torches like this one. Yeah, you know what? Let me just get some coal. I know this is cheating, but I can't see in the dark. Or maybe I should make a night vision effect. Yeah, let's just get some coal. Give Nafi brine coal. Let's get like 20. Here it is. 36. And wait, did I tell you this? But normally it was supposed to be like a review for 0.12.0, but in a fun way, like survival series. Dang it. Well, do I have any wood? Yeah, I guess that's good. I was thinking about the stone pickaxe if it wears out. Anyways, the first person who makes another portal when 0.12.0 starts. We were supposed to make another portal and see the first person who makes well, not really a race, but the person who makes finish the series when we make our first potion. That's broken. And luckily I can make a crafting table. I'll just, I don't know. Yeah, put this here. Get 2 just in case. The sad thing is that we can't mine with iron. It's a really weird glitch when you can't mine with iron, which is bad. Why can't I find any iron? Or really any ore? Oh. Ow. Yay, I found some coal. Oh, god damn it. Okay, good. So, here's a good tip. You can find diamonds near bedrock. If you didn't know that yet, my friends told me that once. I forgot what their names were. It was a really long time. There's a lighting problem, like I told you before. I can't fix it. I don't know why. Basically, I was testing new ways on how to make it better to look on the iPad. But